Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. It has been a while since I posted a RC airplane video. The weather wasn't that good and conducive to flying airplanes outdoors, but finally it is getting better. Today is a good day, low winds, although it's not sunny, it is manageable. And just 2 days ago I received this WLtoys or XKS, I don't know what the branding is, A210 T-28 Trojan, and Trojans are one of my favorite airplanes. So I cannot wait to take this out and fly it outdoors before it gets dark. I got this from Banggood and it was on sale through their US warehouse. The price was $64.90 and then I had a $5 coupon. I think there was some sale and listen to this, the shipping fee was 4 cents. So total I paid $59.94 shipped to my door. It is a good price for a 4-channel transition grade small mini warbird. So I love these mini warbirds. I started with the Eachine series and in the last 2 years I did 3 Eachine mini warbird reviews and one of them was the T-28 Trojan from Eachine, and I love this airplane. And now I have another one about the same size mini warbird but from a competitor company, WLtoys. So after this review I'm planning to actually get them, fly them back to back. Maybe my son will help and then we can fly them together. That will be interesting. And then after that I'm going to compare which one I'll prefer, what are the strengths or weaknesses of each. So that review will be coming as well. With no further ado, let's open the box and see what is inside. And here's everything out of the box. The plane itself, well, it feels substantial, it feels heavy. It feels bigger than the Eachine version. I don't know if about the wingspan, but it looks fat, fatter than. Actually, the wingspan on the Eachine is a little longer, I think, or about the same. But when I'm just putting like that, yes, definitely. The wingspan of the Eachine Trojan is longer, but the wings are thinner, skinnier, as well as the fuselage is skinnier. So this has more bulk to it, and it's definitely heavy. Heavier than the Eachine T-28. And it is a 4-channel as I mentioned, so the battery should be in the battery compartment. And I have another WLtoys mini warbird, which is A220 P-40 Warhawk. I reviewed just before the winter last fall, and it did good. It was a good flyer, although it had like this tendency when you let the right stick center, it will just get the nose down or up. So that's kind of the signature move of XK airplanes. I had the same thing on my A800 glider. So this is a 1-cell 3.7 volt 400 milliampere battery. I think this is identical to the one that came with my Warhawk, the A220. And here is this same transmitter as that one, the transition grade, not really hobby grade, but it is better than toy grade. 2.4 gigahertz, XK's own 4-channel transmitter, and it takes 4 AA batteries. And turns on and beeps and waits to bind to the airplane. And it has 2 buttons, one on the right shoulder, one on the left shoulder. One is the rates. I believe the one on the left is the rates, and on the one on the right is for switching between 6G and 3D, meaning that the gyro stabilized mode, and they call it the 3D mode, on which there is still some gyro stabilization, but at least you can pull rolls and loops and all kinds of other aerobatic maneuvers with that one. And very basic, it has the trims for all 4 channels. That's good. And then we have an extra propeller. And is the prop removable? Yes. So this is something I really liked about Eachine airplanes. And now the WLtoys or XK is integrating this as well. So if you crash into something or if you do a hard landing with the nose first, this pops off. So that will help reduce the damage to the propeller as well as the prop adapter as well as the motor and the firewall inside. And then there are these screws. I'm assuming some of them will be used to insert the landing gear. I'm not even sure, maybe they may be just a pressure fit, because yeah, it may be pressure fit. I'll take a look, because it doesn't have any holes like the Eachenes do. The Eachenes, you have to secure them with a little screw. So here are the landing gear, and then here is the charger. It is nice, it looks like a USB stick, like a memory stick. It just, the difference is it has a little lossy connector on the back, and you plug the battery in and then connect it. I'm going to do it now to a USB port, either on your computer or on an adapter, like charging adapter. And then we have the manual. Let me take a quick look. And overall, the instruction manual is basic, but the English is good. It has both English and Chinese. And everything seems to be very descriptive, in good sequence, so it's a good one. So before doing anything, let's test. I'm just going to pull the battery from the charger, and the instruction manual says that the battery connects first. Let's get the help of this little handy dandy screwdriver. Get this thing out. They tucked it in pretty good. All right, come out, come out. Here we go. So I'm just going to connect the battery. And then what you do is you just put it flat on the ground and not moving, and you just turn on the transmitter, and it's bound and working. Do you see? And then let me show you this. This should be in the 6G mode. I don't know if you can hear it. It's controlling the servos, and I'm going to press, and it's not doing that anymore. There's some, but not like the other one. And then this button is for throws. Let's see. So this is the low rates, and look at the ailerons now, and they are more deflected and less. 1 beep is low rate, 2 beeps high rate. And put the battery on top. Let's add it over here without screwing up the balance of it. And it looks like it is just slightly over 70 grams. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just 70.3 grams. And now, let's weight this one. Need to get its battery out. Let's weight the Eachine plane. I think it's a little easier to put on. It's not as fat and tall. And let's put the battery over here. It's balanced, almost balanced. I don't know if you can see it, but it is close to 56 grams, 55.9. So definitely the yellow one, the WLtoys one, is heavier. So next what I'm going to do is finish charging, and I will see you outdoors for the maiden flight.